Hello there, my name is Enrique and we're going to try to work on coloring a black and white picture, so why don't we go ahead and start. So right now I did fill out one of the body part, like in the right here, with the color. So right now we're going to try to fill out the rest in a different color, like the face and the dress, as well as the hair. So right now, click on this, then go ahead and click on the quick selection tool, and if this happens, just hit the O key and just make sure all the outlines isn't in your way. Just make sure you get all the lines in there without having it do like that. Also hit the Q button if you want to see the mask. See, you got everything in there. Once you have it all right, then go ahead and hit select the mask, hit smart radius and put it to 1, then hit OK. Now the good part is go here and hit solid color. Now this one, you can easily use the eyedrop tool and hit it around right here, so once that, it'll fill it automatically. Now you notice this is really covering up the face like that, so go here, hit the overlay, and there you go. Also, you notice the eyes are like this. Well, it's okay. Just go ahead and use the eraser tool and just go click right here at the layer mask and just erase. This may take a couple tries to easily get it right. There you go. So let's go ahead and work on the hair. Oops, just a sec. Also, you notice that some of the outlines right here is somehow didn't fill that out. It's okay. Let's go ahead and make her hair a little brown. Well, let me fix that. There. Just make it a little lighter color for the hair. This may take a while for it to work, but it's okay. So get the brush tool, click here, go ahead and just do this. And there you go. That will help out to make it more easier what you're going to do. You can easily click back around here to make sure you get to fix what you need. You can easily edit out the leftover parts, the gray parts around here. Once you did, then you'll be able to have all done quick and easy. So let's take a look. And there we go. Hope you enjoy this.